Just a few miles from the roar of the M25 traffic, you are in a different world of sheltered valleys and a patchwork quilt of fields and woodlands. This is the setting for the 5-acre site of a country house built in the 1950s, and which is now to be replaced with a spacious home of elegant simplicity designed by Jeremy Sheppard. The existing established grounds, with a sunken rose garden, rose walk, mature trees and lawns, will now be the setting for a 6,500 square foot Regency-style family home. All of the principal rooms will have a southerly aspect, with traditional sash windows overlooking the gardens. The main entrance leads into the spacious double-height galleried entrance hall with glazed doors to the drawing room. From here, French windows will lead out onto the terrace. This creates a continuous vista through the building in line with the existing rose walk. The design of the house, with single-storey side wings, reflects the ideas set out by Palladio. A glazed corridor links the main house to the 18th century style orangery building, which will contain the swimming pool. The entire garden elevation is given a unity of appearance by the inclusion of a narrow projecting string-course band of stone. This basically very simple detail has the power to unify the main house, the side wings, the glazed link, and the orangery style pool building. Without this overall design approach, there would be the risk that the entire property would just look like a series of unrelated buildings. At the same time, the adoption of the same widths for all of the windows of the house and the orangery creates an overall relaxed appearance to the eye. But if anyone were to think that returning to an age of elegance means abandoning the needs of the 21st century to create an energy-efficient, environmentally friendly home, then they would be very mistaken. For this inspired design includes energy efficiency requirements to comply with the new 2009 Code for Sustainable Homes. These include 25% better thermal insulation and energy efficiency than the 2006 building regulations. Energy conservation measures are incorporated throughout the design. However, even when the existing house is demolished, the materials will be sorted and most will be recycled. No longer is it just a case of putting everything in a big hole in the ground and leaving future generations to sort out the problems. This fine new country house design shows what can be achieved by drawing on a philosophy developed in the 18th century and combining it with the 21st century's need to create energy-efficient, sustainable homes.